These are not the images we see in the glossy advertisements enticing us to buy a new cell phone, laptop, or TV. But this should be part of the picture, because this is where many of our electronics wind up.
Yes, this is unfortunately the world we are living in. Times where consumerism pushes us to always want the newest thing. People can't go out without the newest iPad, iPhone, or any other electronic device. But what if we could do something about it? Make something out of the obsolete devices we have hidden somewhere in a drawer. Then simply use it again. Sell it, or give it away for free so it doesn't end up in a trash bin. In today's video I'm gonna try to do just that. I've planned 2 projects, so sit back, relax, and I hope you'll enjoy the video. It wasn't an easy one. Houston, we've got a bit of a problem. I'm going to try to keep it short as I'm absolutely horrible at explaining these things. So let me show you what I mean. I'm not a big fan of these sharp corners against that nice round one. Well, I have to keep these sharp. I could potentially round it, but I think it's gonna look crap, so I'm gonna try to take some material off the top of the board, which will hopefully square this a little bit more. Well, it's not gonna be square, but it's gonna be a bit more square than it is at the moment. And well, let's keep our fingers crossed that it's gonna look a little bit better.